In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet into a Squarespace website. This is a simple way to display spreadsheet content directly on your site, which can be useful for schedules, data tables, price lists, project trackers, or any information you want visitors to view without downloading a file. We'll start in Google Sheets, generate the embed code, and then place that code into Squarespace. First, open the Google Sheet you want to display on your website. Once you're inside the sheet, go to the top menu and click on Portfolio. This menu gives you access to several sharing and publishing options, and that's where we'll find the embed feature. From the File menu, hover over Share. When that submenu appears, click on Publish to Web. This is an important step because embedding a sheet requires Google to publish it in a web-friendly format that can be displayed outside of Google Sheets. In the Publish to Web window, click on Embed. This switches the output from a simple share link to an embeddable code snippet. That code is what Squarespace will use to display the sheet on your page. Next, click on Publish. Google may ask you to confirm that you want to publish the content. Once it's published, a block of embed code will appear. Go ahead and copy that code. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as shown, since even a small missing part can prevent it from displaying properly on your website. Now switch over to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. In the page editor, click Add Block. This lets you insert different types of content into the page. In the block search area, type code. Then click on the code block option when it appears. This is the correct block type for pasting custom embed code from external services like Google Sheets. After the code block has been added, click the pencil icon to edit it and paste in the embed code you copied from Google Sheets. Once the code is in place, save or apply your changes so the embed can render on the page. At this point, your Google Sheet should be embedded in Squarespace. If it doesn't look quite right, double check that the sheet was published correctly and that the full embed code was pasted into the code block. Also remember that the embedded version reflects the published sheet, so if you update the spreadsheet later, those changes can appear on your site as well. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Sheet into your Squarespace website.